Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi and I'm back with another video. So guys, I'm sorry I haven't been consistent with my videos, and that's because I had a lot of school works to do and it's been taking a lot of my time. But don't worry guys, I'm back and I'm back for good. So if you're so excited like I am to do these tutorials for you guys, stay with me to the end and know what we are going to do. Guys, as you must have seen from the title, we are going to be making pancakes, and the first thing to do is to break your eggs into a bowl. Wow. Carefully. And then whisk it. After that, you add your sugar. After adding the egg and the sugar, you want to add your milk. My milk is a condensed milk, so what I did was add a little water to the milk. And then add your flour. And then add a little bit of a pinch of baking soda or baking powder, whichever one you have. Then give it a good stir. Keep on stirring it until it's nice and smooth and you get this consistency, exactly the consistency I'm looking for. So guys, my mixture is all ready, and what I need to do now, I'm heating up my pan, and then in here I have my oil. So you can use butter, you can use any kind of oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, as you prefer. So I'm using a vegetable oil. I'm going to rub this oil all over the pan. So after greasing the pan, you add your butter. reduce your heat to medium low. So now with our pancakes. And then that's it for this one. You continue with the same process till the whole batter is finished.
Thank you, AD.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you've learned how to make your simple pancakes. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and give me a thumbs up and share my video. Yes, thank you guys so much. See you next time.
When a good girl gone bad,